ExportTT Limited is delighted to partner with the Caribbean Export Development Agency as we jointly launch our Export Competitiveness Project using Caribbean Export's SME Diagnostic Tool. This SME Diagnostic Tool provides standardized, expert-based methodology for accurately assessing SMEs and identifies area for development across 4 core areas. It is my understanding that ExportTT is the first trade promotion organization in the region to adopt the SME Diagnostic Tool as the foundation for an export competitiveness program. An achievement we, the Board of Directors of ExportTT, are tremendously proud of and think that should be commended. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, through the identification of gaps powered by Caribbean Exports Tool, which is financed by the European Union, ExportTT will actively develop export development plans and implement a program of activities aimed at bridging gaps and/or building competitiveness. This collaboration of these 3 powerhouses is set to change the export trajectory of Trinidad and Tobago, leading to a sustainable and diverse export sector. We envisage that this launch will package key messages on how the project will increase the export competitiveness of companies so that they are capable of entering and/or expanding operations in new markets. In a time when most business and economic soothsayers may look upon 2018 with trepidation, we at ExportTT see only opportunity. This view is tied to the providence that comes from hard work and the singular focus on export growth that drives us. Our efforts thus have resulted in us being here today to launch this most timely export competitiveness initiative. Many of you, goods and services exporters gathered here today, are already doing well. As you continue to weather the storm in these trying economic times, your businesses are well managed, and you are to be highly commended for the work you do and your contribution to Trinidad and Tobago's economy. The big picture though, which involves us all, is framed in the notion that a stable economic future for Trinidad and Tobago means deepening our export penetration in 1, markets we operate in, and 2, expanding the range of markets we already service. A significant proportion of that advancement must come from our non-extractive manufacturing and service sectors. ExportTT, in collaboration with the Caribbean Export Development Agency, have prepared an assessment and support mechanism designed to take your already successful operations to the next level. At ExportTT, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we look forward to the Caribbean Exports Assessment Instrument assisting us in isolating the key pain points that may exist in some operations present today. Ladies and gentlemen, ExportTT is 100% committed to creating a world of opportunities for each and every one of you. We are all here for you. So once again, on behalf of my esteemed chairman, Mr. Ashmir Mohammed, and the board of directors of ExportTT, I welcome each and every one of you, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you.